Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Dall E. So Dall E is another AI tool from this OpenAI.com. Like they have the chat GPT, but also they have recently announced this like a text to image AI tool where you input some text and on the base of that text that tool will actually generate images for you. So how we can actually use this? First of all, we have to like open up this website here, which is openai.com, and then if you scroll down you will see these different tools here. So here you can see Dall E2, so we will click on this one, and the first thing that we have to do basically here is actually sign up or log in for this. So we will click on this login option here, and it will take us to the login screen, and we will click on continue with Google here. You can actually use your previous OpenAI account. We will click on this continue with Google here, and then we will just use our Gmail account here. So I will use my this Gmail account here, and it will like take me to the Dall E homepage. Okay, so this is the homepage of Dall E. So there is one thing that you should know, that in 24 hours you can only input like 50 prompts. And what prompts are? Prompts are basically the instruction that you will give to this AI engine in the form of text. So basically you can input like 50 prompts in this AI tool in 24 hours. So you have to use it very wisely. So when this page loads up, there are basically two ways that you can actually use this tool. The first way is actually you can enter the instructions here, just like what we did on the chat GPT, and you can also upload an image to edit that image or to create variations from that image. And if you scroll down, you will see these different images here generated by another people's. So you can also submit your generation if you want by clicking on this button, so then people will also see your generated pictures here. Okay, so first we will click on this surprise me option, and this will automatically fill out one prompt for us. So we will click on this surprise me synthwave sports car. So we will just click on generate here, and it will actually generate the image for us. So while it's generating, you can see that this AI tool also like gives us some tips. Okay, so now our image is generated. Okay, so now we will try something different. We will actually write something like girl walking towards heaven, and we will click on generate here, and it will actually generate for us. You have to actually read these tips here. These tips are very important. Okay, so now as you can see that it has generated the images for us, the girls walking towards heaven. Okay, and then click on dalle again, and now we will like make it more specific. So like rubber duck, maybe aliens visiting the earth for the first time, and let's make it like cinematic, and let's click on generate here. And now what it will do, it will create the rubber duck aliens visiting the earth for the first time, and it's like taking some time, but surely it will do this. So what did he just make? Let's wait. I think it's super realistic and cinematic. So as you can see that it's very beautiful. Okay, rubber duck aliens visiting the earth for the first time cinematic. So this is like actually very great. And now if we come to the second part here, we can actually upload the image here. So we will click on this upload image here, and then we will select the image from our computer. So let's say this one here, and we will click on the open here. So keep these things in mind when uploading. Be respectful of others. Don't upload photos of people without consent. Images may be reviewed. We may use your data, include upload, improve. So you can actually read this and click on continue here, and then you just have to like crop your image, and then you will click on crop. And after crop, you will see like these two options here. The first one is edit image, and the second one is generate web variations. So we will click on this one, which is like generate variations, and it will actually upload the image and then generate the different variations for us. So let's wait till it generates like different web variations for us. Add detail art for striking and high quality image. So there is a tip. Okay, so as I said before, that you should like see these tips. Okay, so it has generated these images. It's kind of uh, funny here, but you actually get the idea here. Okay, so let's head back again, click on the upload image again, and then we will select this image again, and this time we will select the edit image option here. So this is just here you can see that image editing is now in beta. So there are pretty not very like lots of tool here. You can actually erase something, add generation frame, and upload image, and like this. Guys, this is the basic tutorial about that how to use the Dall E. So if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.